Hello friends, hello again. This is the part number 3 of this topic that I have initiated. If you haven't watched part number 1 and part number 2, do watch that. The link for those videos is given in description box. The topic is CAD customization versus CAD automation. So I'm going to conclude on this topic and I'm going to touch upon the benefits of this. So let's start with the conclusion. This time talking about the conclusion with respect to the design engineer who is looking to get into the role of CAD customization or CAD automation. So basically, both these roles are productivity roles where you spend your time to improve the experience for design engineers, and by doing that, you are saving their time, you are saving their energy, you are making them free to work on the creative tasks, etc. etc. But if you are looking to learn this skill set to switch your career, then both of these are going to be useful for you because many a times there are job profiles. They not only ask for CAD customization skill sets, but they also ask CAD automation skill set. It means that a CAD customization is an entry level step that you can take to become a CAD developer or CAD automation engineer. So if you wanted to switch the career and if you're looking to learn this skill set, you must know CAD customization and as well as and on top of that CAD automation. So this is the conclusion for design engineer point of view who wanted to learn this skill set. Now, the conclusion with respect to uh, design team or organization who wanted to use CAD customization and CAD automation to improve their productivity basically. So again, this is something a milk and a water together. If you remove the water, you won't get the milk, you get a powder basically. So these two actually go very hand in hand. As an industry, as an organization, your journey towards improving productivity starts with small customization features, small customizations basically. And CAD automation is something that can bring you a tangible benefits, tangible uh, engineering hours saving. So you cannot literally separate them out. You have to use them based on where you wanted to use them. I mean, uh, based on what thing you wanted to address, based on that, you can use either CAD customization or CAD automation or mix of both. Now, both the conclusions you will get clear when we have a look at benefits. So the benefits of both together are reduce time to complete design. It reduces the time we spend on creating the designs. Remove time spending on routine tasks. So you can literally save a lot of on routine tasks when you implement this. Then it also pushes standardization. What I mean by pushing standardization is you are taking away the manual interference from the design engineers to certain extent, and that is going to help you in the standard drawing creation, standard modeling uh, in your in your team. The next one is avoid user own way of working. So you are pushing use of the customized features or CAD automation programs. And because of that, you are refraining your users by using their own way to create do that job, basically. It also helps design processes. It also makes them mature. It also makes them less error prone and less user dependent. It helps to reduce the errors and ultimately it also improves efficiency. So these are the benefits. That's why any organization, any company shall look to adopt the CAD customization and CAD automation culture because these benefits can definitely bring lot of advantage to you. I hope that conclusion part and benefits part is clear in your minds. If you got any questions on top of this, please feel to reach out to me via comment section. And thank you for being with me till the end. Bye bye for now.